Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our view on the gold market. So actually here you could see we don't have a really big changes, so market just has reached the first fib support, it's 1955, and shows the minor bounce. Also, as we have discussed on intraday charts, we also have got the target here. It's kind of the A, B, C, D, OP, which is reasonable right now to see the pullback here. So currently there are two moments to keep an eye on. So speaking about gold directly, we are now watching for a pullback, and on the 4 time frame chart, we in fact have the cartilage triple to buy pattern, which suggests pullback at least to the 30% resistance of the downward action. I will show on the hourly chart a bit later. Another pattern that theoretically might be considered, but of course, well, it have not the perfect shape. So we already mentioned it previously, but at that point, where we first have taken a look at it, it was a bit, well, looking better and it's a bit different. So this is kind of the hand and shoulders shape. So you can see this is shoulder. When we talked about this, it was right there. So it was really accurate head, and we suggest that it might be another shoulder to form. But instead of that, here we have some kind of the ABCD performance. But theoretically, the pullback here, which will be response to the cartilage triple two, it also might be some kind of the another shoulder, something of that sort. So supposedly around 1980 area, somewhere in this level, when we have the pullback on this cartilage triple two pattern. And if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, we have this minor ABCD, which has two targets right at this point. So first will be the COP, it's 1974, it creates an agreement with the first fib level. OP stands slightly above this conference, it's around 1979. So that being said, the area around 1975, 1979 supposedly might be interesting to consider taking the short position, because here we also could get cartilage triple to sell. That will be the starting point for possible downward continuation. Now the most interesting thing about downside continuation, as we have mentioned today in a euro currency video, on a dollar index, potentially we could get the bullish grabber on the weekly chart. So that will be the weekly grabber, and it suggests the taking out of the top of the dollar index. So it might be a really significant action. As you understand, the confirming of the bullish grabber on the dollar index on the weekly chart become clear headwind for the gold, and it will suggest that overall this bearish setup will get some additional background with a possible downward continuation. In general, based on the weekly chart of the gold, as we talked about this already, that the pullback there, it's, well, it could be even lower, just because it was really very strong action, and currently market hasn't shown even the 30% downside retracement. So from that standpoint, if even on the dollar index the grabber will be confirmed, the market will take now the top on dollar index, gold market will show deeper retracement. It will not crush the bullish context on the gold. This will be just normal downside pullback, which is actually logical to expect after this kind of the rally that we've got in the previous couple of weeks. But for the shorter term perspective, that will be just additional confirmation of the possible bearish stop that we have here. So take a look how the dollar index will close tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Friday, and if we'll get it really, so it might be additional confirmation for the bearish performance on the gold. But for now, today, tomorrow, probably we will consider what will happen around this area.